In this video, we are going to cover the various teacher functionalities that you can use in the session control section. At the top of the screen, we have 4 menu items: class, files, exercises, and submissions. Class is the current screen. Here you can see all of the students in the session represented by a student card. Files allows you to upload files to be used in this session. You can also find all of the files you've used in your exercises from this view. In exercises, this allows you to author and share custom exercises for your students. We will explain this in detail in another video. Next on the menu is submissions. This is where all student recordings and responses are collected for this particular session. Here we can see that 2 students are present in your class. Let's say hello. The chat function enables you to start conversations with your students, where they can reply and answer your queries. You can access the streaming functionalities by clicking on the green Speak to Class button. After clicking on the button, the system will broadcast your voice to every student present in the session currently. This is a one-way stream, which means your students cannot interrupt you while you are speaking. You can use Speak to Class at any point during your session. At the bottom of the screen, you will see these 4 buttons. The microphone mutes and unmutes your microphone. The second button turns webcam sharing on and off. The third button allows you to share your screen to all students. And the red button ends the stream. Note, sharing your screen also allows you to choose if you want to share system audio, like so. Sharing system audio allows you to play back any audio or video on your computer, and your students will hear it as part of the broadcast. If you would like to speak or listen to individual students, you can do so under each student card. You will see buttons labeled Listen and Speak. Clicking on Listen allows you to monitor the student in question. Clicking on Speak opens up a 2-way conversation with this particular student. You and your student will also be able to use the other streaming functionalities while the conversation is ongoing. This is particularly useful when your student is having problems with their exercises. Simply ask them to share their screen and you will be able to provide immediate guidance.